This is Reggae Boy Romario Williams. You're watching Eddy Vision. Like, subscribe, and share.
Greeting viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, the Reggae Girlz have been prepping for their World Cup qualification in the CONCACAF Championship. Tough group, we all know, but they have been prepping and preparing in Colorado. We have some news coming out of Colorado. Apparently, Tiffany Cameron did not make the team. Big news. She has been one of Jamaican's better players, on-farm players for club over there in Hungary. She has a record of whenever she scores, Jamaica never loses. So big up Simon Preston for breaking this news. No Tiffany Cameron. Also, there has been an outbreak in the camp. COVID has hit the camp. Still waiting on further information about the numbers, but COVID has hit the camp, and that's never good leading up to a tournament. So close to the tournament, so close to the start of the tournament. So we're still awaiting information on that. But so far, the breaking news, no Tiffany Cameron in the Reggae Girlz setup, and there has been a COVID outbreak. Give us your reaction to these news. Drop it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.